Everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install XAMPP to your Linux, and this process is applicable from version 18.04 to 20.20 and onwards. So at first what you have to do is download XAMPP to your machine. So let's navigate to download XAMPP, and so you'll encounter this place. So let's download the latest one, download 64-bit. Okay, so let's keep this file. Been successfully downloaded in my machine. So let's go to this folder. So in folder, and yeah, this is XAMPP. Now I can create terminal from here. Let's open terminal. Okay, so I'm already in download page. Now what we have to do is we have to provide some permission to this package so that we can easily install XAMPP in our machine. So let's run the command chmod, and package name is, if you write X and further. Okay, so we have now I have already set chmod. I have already given chmod command with 755 permission to my XAMPP file. Now the file has already got permission. So let's check about the package. Now you can see the permission given from 755 chmod command. Now let's run. Now just click on the next and next. Now it will take some time. Now XAMPP has been installed. Now after this we can easily launch XAMPP system. So click on finish. Yes, now our XAMPP is running now. You can check Microsoft MySQL database. Let's start this one. Apache also, let's start, and you can find out the application log from here. Yes, it's running. See, in the port 3306. Okay, so let's check our phpMyAdmin panel also. So php localhost phpMyAdmin. Yes, now XAMPP is running. Okay, so let's close everything now. And let's again start that how can we run XAMPP or not. So let's close this one also. Let's run php. Okay, it's running now. So let's close now. So again open your terminal and just go to cd opt lamp stop. Okay, sudo /opt/lamp and XAMPP lamp and stop your service. Add a password. Okay, so now XAMPP is stopped. Again, let's check localhost php. Now my XAMPP is not running, so let's start XAMPP again. Open your terminal and just write sudo opt lamp and password. Okay, so in this way again XAMPP is running. You can check like this. Okay, so this is the process how can we install XAMPP in our machine. Thank you.